Hi, my name is Chris, welcome to my channel. This is an attempt to create an XY oscilloscope using Digilent's CMOD A7 FPGA board. The inputs will be sampled with the XADC built-in analog to digital converter. My first attempt was only to set up the XADC inputs and demultiplex them into distinct vectors. It worked well in the audio domain. This time, a 2-port BRAM was introduced as 256 by 256 1-bit map. It uses only 4% of available BRAM. Finally, an image, but still not managed to remove bleeding between channels. So, some Lissajous patterns. Here, one channel, 1 kHz ramp, it resembles more to a normal oscilloscope. At greater frequencies, it gives artifacts and the amplitude is diminished. Thanks for watching, see you next update.